Do you like your book? Show me, what is it?
Dora.
Who gave that to you?
Happy.
And who?
Lenny.
And who else? Auntie Lulu?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Auntie Lulu.
Thank you, Auntie Lulu. Dora. That a Dora?
Yeah, wow.
A door sticker?
Yeah.
Oh. Ah. I can stick on my book.
Is that a good one?
Yeah. And that one. Shiny.
I'm taking a video. It's Auntie Lulu.